I want to start today's SeaiceStories update with some beautiful drone footage that I got from a colleague of mine who is working here on the physics of the sea ice in the marginal ice zone. And here you can see the Amundsen, like she's lying in the marginal ice zone with smaller and bigger flows around. And this is some flight over the marginal ice zone where water and sea ice are mixing. Also here is from my work actually together with the other people from the Takuvik group. That is the little ROV that we deploy underneath the sea ice and that we use to measure the light field underneath the sea ice. So this is a small tool, as you can see, but it's very nice. We can take it out on the small boat without much logistics and have a look at the underside of sea ice. Here you nicely also see how the waves are going into the sea ice and how different sea ice pieces are bobbing around. And you can really nicely see the structure of the sea ice, how particularly here in the marginal ice zone, the ice mostly consists of very small broken up pieces that are floating, and this here is actually just a patch of ice that has recently formed but then has also been some turbulence on, so you see a lot of little ice chips stacked up together in a very slushy environment. And you can also see the calm and clear water in between these patches because all waves get attenuated by the sea ice very fast. If we go under the thicker ice, we also see that it consists of a lot of small pancakes and ice plates that are pushed together in this area in the thicker part of the marginal ice zone. So it's really interesting to see the ice from underneath with these cameras, and you see also a bit of life under there.